Acre Love Homestead here, guys. I always tell you that I'm always working. Well, I want to show you all my lab that I work in. This is the lab that I work in. These are our swell machines. This is our swell machines. I'm going to flip you around here. I'm trying to do this on my phone. This is typically my station that I work at when I'm back in the back lab. Usually I'm in the front doing paperwork and stuff. But we're doing sulfates today. We got waybacks today. We put our swells up here, the ones that go on the machines I just showed you. She's not here today. He's not here today. But our other lab is on the other side also. That's our CMT side. But this is the lab that I work in. If anybody was ever interested into what I do, I literally play with dirt all day long. That's our unconfined machine. So I play with dirt all day long. This is what I do. And then I go home. I get to play more dirt at home in the garden. This is our board that we put all of our jobs on. It's not hard work whenever we're slow. When we're busy, it's a little bit harder. But this is what I got for you guys. This is what I do every day. And then, like I say, I go up front and I do accounts receivable also. But that's what I wanted to show y'all. Life of Acre Love Homestead.